Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2005 Tiffin Phaeton 40Q DH quad slide turbo diesel pusher motorhome. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up the video by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length of the coach is 40 feet 5 inches. Overall height to the air conditioners, exterior height is 12 foot 7 inches. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. Beautiful coach. I do know the history of this coach. I actually sold it originally to the first owner when I used to work at a local dealership here in town, and the current owner, which is the second owner, he actually keeps it in a temperature controlled barn that I'll show you on the back side, and the original owner did also. So this has pretty much never seen ice on the roof, and I believe it's never been winterized. First slide out here is Super Slide. It's going to be about 12 foot long and 3 foot deep. Accommodates the freestanding table and chairs, and the hide-to-bed sleeper sofa, which is the ultra leather fabric. I'm going to zoom in on these fabrics here. I'm going to try to keep my video under 18 minutes and try to still show you all the features on this Phaeton. Colors on the chairs are going to be like a dark bronze, tans colors. And this table does pull out a little bit more so you can seat 4 people. Ultra leather sleeper sofa to pull out. Queen bed, I believe, maybe even a king, but definitely sleeps 2 grown adults easily. No signs of wear and tear. Definitely condition 1 through 10, 10 being the best. Definitely a 9 in my opinion. I think any dealer would agree. Point out these cabinets. These are the oak finish cabinet. All your cabinets are some of the best in the industry on Tiffin. All solid wood. You are mounted steel backer plates, so these are the strongest, pretty much strongest cabinets that they make. Definitely an 05. It's going to be your second slide out. Accommodates the jackknife ultra leather sleeper sofa in the kitchen. Slides out. Slide out's going to be about maybe 14 foot long and 3 foot deep. Show off that sofa. The back and the bottom lay down like a futon. Excellent condition. Non-smoker. Day-night shades all throughout. Got good lighting here. I can show off those window treatments. That's about the same color it's going to be on the freestanding table and chairs. In the kitchen, you do have, again, some of the best cabinets you'll find in the industry and strongest. And you do have Corian style solid surface countertops all throughout this coach. Definitely some of the best you'll find. Nice pull out. Add a leaf here. Show off that backsplash here. Nice mirror backsplash with the I believe that's going to be maybe ceramic tile look down below, and you do have nice cover for your 3-burner gas cooktop. Front one's going to be a high output. Nice sink covers. Again, they're all solid surface Corian style countertop sink covers. A stainless steel double bowl sink. Pull out one style sprayer faucet. You do have home theater all throughout this coach. If I get a chance, I'll try to show that to you. Nice convection oven by Sharp. You check to make sure the digital readout's working, and it is. Nice little hutch area. You do have lots of cabinet space. Okay, going back here, you do have the large side-by-side 4-door refrigerator with ice maker and raised paneling. It's by Norcold. Push a button. A few hours later, you've got a cold fridge. Show that off to you. Here's your ice maker. do want to point out, you do have the optional, this is the optional ceramic tile floor throughout in the kitchen area, the entranceway, which I forgot to show you, which I'll try to when I show the cockpit, and it goes all the way through to the bathroom area. And that, again, that was an option. This coach is pretty much fully loaded for an 05 Phaeton. Again, there's your ceramic tile floor in your bathroom, foot flush porcelain toilet with sprayer. Again, you do have the Corian countertops in the bathroom. Nice vanity area, lots of counter space. Nice huge medicine cabinet. Fantastic vent fans all over this coach. There's one right there. Soft touch vinyl ceiling. There's another fantastic vent fan right there. Okay, let's go back into the master king bed room area. This is going to be your third slide out. Third slide out is going to be the king bed slide. King bed is ultra plush, lifts up, lots of storage up underneath there. Again, your cabinets are some of the best. Your fascias on your slide outs, all solid wood, beautiful. Definitely some of the best cabinets in the industry. Show off that headboard there. 110 outlet on each side of the bed. Full walk around king bed. Nice huge closet in the rear. I did check this coach for water damage. Did not find any issues. Did not find anything that would definitely be a red flag to a potential buyer. This does have the upgraded or optional washer dryer combo unit by Splendid. Here's your engine access panel to access your 350 horsepower Caterpillar 7.2 liter C7 turbo diesel engine. I'll try to show the back and show the outside. And this is going to be your fourth slide out. Fourth slide out is going to accommodate the second vanity area. So you have two vanities on this coach. It does have the old TV, so it's easy to upgrade. Anybody knows about these things, they're pretty easy. Kind of a non-issue. Show off that vanity area. Lots of storage space. Another medicine cabinet. And you are carpeted. All the carpets in excellent condition in the bedroom and on the slide outs. It's a beautiful coach. Nice pocket door for privacy. I do want to point out this one-piece shower. You don't have to worry about caulking seams. Beautiful one-piece shower. You can sit. And you do the skylight there. All glass enclosed. One-piece showers are definitely nice. You don't have to worry about the caulking seams looking all nasty. Again, show off the ceramic floors all throughout. High traffic area. And again, your carpet is in excellent condition. Kind of zoom in on that. All the padding's plush. Beautiful coach. There's your third. Fantastic vent fan. As I said, this coach is pretty much fully loaded. You do have dual two large 15,000 BTU AC units on this coach, and they do have heat pumps, and you have dual 30,000 BTU furnaces. And show off that cockpit area here. Obviously the co-pilot has the footrest. All the fabrics, again, excellent condition. They're by Flex Steel, and I believe these are both six-way power seats on the co-pilot and pilot seat. Show off the driver's seat or pilot seat, excellent condition. And this is going to be your ceramic entryway. That definitely was an option. Spin this around. I want to show you the cockpit here, and then we'll speed up the video by showing you the outside. Okay, I just started up the engine here. See if I can show you this mileage here. Hopefully it will show up here. Mileage currently on the coach is, see if it can focus in on it, 44,875 miles. See if I can get a better view of it right here. 44,875 miles. It's sitting on a Freightliner chassis. There's your Freightliner badge right there. Show off the gauges. Power heated mirrors. This is going to be your generator start button right here. Generators has right now 1,206 hours on it. It's going to be your 6-speed Allison 3000 transmission. There's your air brake, park brake, and all your pedals are fully adjusting. You do have exhaust brake on this coach. Auxiliary start ties your batteries together in case you need it for an emergency. There's your air horns, air brakes, air ride, everything. That's step cover. It's an air step cover. Docking light button right there, easy to figure out. You do have left and right shade here. I forgot to put them down, so you get the idea. Power shades on both sides, power passenger and driver shades, and you do have a map light there, easy to figure out. Radio button, the ICC button, that's a little flasher button to say thanks for people letting you over and letting people know that the lane's free to come over, like you see the truckers do. Engine preheat right there. You do have fans on both sides for the pilot and co-pilot, and this is a 4-point auto level system on this coach. Okay, trying to speed this video up. This is going to be your backup camera monitor here, and this is the old GPS that they offered, and this was an option that I would even upgrade it to the new stereos that are Bluetooth, and they're mirroring capable to smart devices. So just an idea. Oh, and it does have the old TV up here, easy upgrade if you wanted to do it. DVD, home theater, video distribution box right there, so it's all easy to figure out. CD player, I think it's like a 6-disc CD player. It's going to be Xentrax, your 2,000 watt inverter, and this is going to be your tank levels here. Test your tank levels, pretty easy to figure out. It's going to be your driver's side slide out and passenger side slide out in the living room area. Water heater switches, it's 10-gallon water heater, and okay, let's go outside. I do want to point out the buttons here when you first walk in. You do have the door awning. This does have the door awning, full awning package on this coach. Full power awning and power door awning, cargo lights, floor lights, porch light, entry steps, ceiling lights, 12-volt disconnect up top on the left there, save you on your battery. And you do have a assist handle light here, showing a little bit of cracking on the handle, but that's normal wear and tear. All right. Let me turn this generator off so I'm not yelling. Okay. And beautiful coach, full body paint. I think it's the Sunlit Sand paint package on this. One of the most popular paint packages Tiffin offered on the Phaeton line. Full gel coat, fiberglass, gel coat paint, best paint you can get. It does have fairly new tires. The date on the tires all the way around, they were the same, the 12th week of 2015. Little circle there, it tells you. And they are Michelin's. Kind of show off the size there for you, anybody wants to research them. Michelin XZE2 22.5s with the aluminum alcohol wheels, full pass-through storage. Second tray there, little storage area, has the pull-out storage tray. That was definitely an option. Again, Freightliner chassis, raised rail chassis. More storage there. Gas struts, assist. There's your furnace exhaust. Again, tires are all fairly new. They only have a few, couple hundred miles on them. And there's your 4 house batteries, 2 chassis batteries, and some electronics, more storage. There's your 2,000 watt Xentrax inverter right there. Okay, oh, I do want to show off the condition. There's a little pitting on this little door right here. The aluminum pitted. No rock chips, I can tell, on this coach. No delamination. All the windows are dual pane. I did not find any issues with fogging on the windows at all. which is usually a sign that the seal is cracked. Full walk-on fiberglass roof. Again, your engine is going to be the 350 horsepower Caterpillar 7.2 liter C7 turbo diesel engine, 860 foot-pounds of torque, 10,000 pound towing capability. You do have the nice Phaeton mud flap there. I think that was an option. Full awning package on this coach. Storage here. 50 amp service plug right there. Water hookups, obviously. Full water filtration system on this coach. Outside shower. All your holding tanks and your water lines are all protected and heated. 10-gallon water heater right there. There's your pass-through storage all the way across. Let me go ahead and speed this video up. I'm going to show you down the side here and show you. There's just 35-gallon LP tank. Let's shoot down the side here. Show off that back side. Again, dealer was going to take this in on trade. It would be a showroom piece, I think, for their pre-owned inventory. Most popular diesel pusher motorhome. Definitely an 05. This was the one you wanted. Access panel for fuses, and you do have a pull cord there to pull out your generator. Oh, again, all your baggage doors are all insulated, and you do have the 7500 Onan turbo diesel engine. I'm sorry, apologize, going too fast. 7500 Onan quiet diesel generator, and push that in, let it lock, show off that front end. Front and rear molded fiberglass caps. This does have brand new InMotion satellite. The current owner put brand new tires on it when he purchased it, and installed the InMotion satellite, which is definitely a nice feature. You do have the beautiful one-piece windshield, can't forget that. 05, that was the biggest deal on this coach. Full one-piece windshield, chrome heated side mirrors, beautiful front cap. It says that air horns, air brakes, air ride on the Freightliner chassis. Okay. Alright, I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. If you want to come see the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.